Lunches are back, thankfully. We had a little bit of a spring break business, which is long gone. Anyways, we've got a turkey mustard sandwich, hard-boiled eggs. He does not like the yolk. Drives me crazy, but it's alright. Major protein pack over here. We've got some sliced peppers, bananas with pralines, and cinnamon, and a yogurt. Here is Deacon's leftovers today. We've got a little bit of sandwich, a little bit of egg, a little bit of pepper left, and then the rest is gone. Here is Deacon's lunch today. My friend packed it, and that is probably the cutest note ever. There's turkey sandwich, yogurt, trail mix, hard-boiled egg, and carrots. This is her daughter's. Here is what's in Deacon's lunchbox after today. So we've got a little bit of the trail mix, little carrots, little egg. He doesn't like the yolk. And then sandwich remnant, so that's what Deacon had in his lunch today. So my amazing friend made the kids' lunches again this morning. I was actually going to, but she beat me to the punch. We've got the almonds, carrots, the Pirate's Booty. In here, because I heard her tell Deacon about it, there's a string cheese and then some turkey wrapped around it. And then orange slices, fig bar, and looks like those bunnies, the Annie's bunnies. And then a Horizon vanilla milk. So that is what they have in their super adorable lunches today. Here's what's left in Deacon's lunch today. How'd you like it, Deacon? You didn't eat these? They're like little chocolate chip bunnies. Oh, you're going to eat them now? Did you like that little roll-up?
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it? He says he didn't see this. But anyways, that's what's left over.